Let go! Woo! What a ride!
Looks like fun.
Oh, it's serious fun, man. When you come off that cliff, you're like, wow. Yeah!
Oh, that looks tricky.
See ya! Look at his eyeball. Oh, yeah! Let her rip!
Oh, wow.
Oh, he was late. Not too late. One more.
That's a good idea. There you go. Hey, wow.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that way you don't jump on the rope. Man. You're already holding yourself up.
Are we ready, Freddie?
Oh, I'm going after him.
I am.
Oh, I called it a while ago.
I haven't gone yet.
Yeah, you're all wet.
He's a heavy boy.
He's about an inch off. Yeah, that put a lot of slack in it.
A cigarette in his mouth.
Ready? Go!
With a smoke in his mouth. Oh, I sure tell you, he ain't gonna keep that lid on the way back.
Hit it now!
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, you got it on it down. If you
Right, no, okay,
About between the legs and the out, but I mean, just turn it around and hold them out.
Hey.
Ready?
Hey, Brett, you gotta try this, man.
Oh, Dan.
Turn that camera on. Stand in front of her. Thank you.
Fire water.
A gentleman and an officer. See that movie?
Jack Nicholas.
Jack Nicholas, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Jack Nicholson.
Oh, excuse me.
That's it.
Oh, man. You got the bounce on that one.
I got it on my head.
You got the bounce on the head. Well, what, you
Didn't go at all last year?
this one going, oh no! Yeah, we just moved that
Actually,
baby
I bet
up
it was
good,
from the
man.
stick, because I've been stick boy.
Go!
I was skying on that one, man. Woo! That one hurt on the hands, man. Got some serious air on that one, Mikey. You did. Oh, she's got up there. Flying on a rope.